Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to GSW Racing. This is more of a up to speed with where I'm at, what I've been through the past couple months. I know I've been absent. So, the last thing that I posted was, some updates on Stacey getting a cage. Since then,
oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We have gone to the track twice. First time I went, all of my GoPros, the SD cards failed.
Nice.
So I lost all of that footage. The second time I went, we went and I was only able to get one pass before one of my ground cables, gave up on me. It's the best way to put it. The ground cable I was using old jumper cable battery. So now we're gonna go and we're buying good cable for grounds and our powers from alternator to starter and then grounds from there. So today we are going to work on pulling the engine out. So it's something that I need to work on for a while. We're at the point where it's time to start looking into upgrading the transmission. The only thing I've done to it since I purchased it back in 2021 was add a manual valve body. I've done nothing else to it. We did a new trans pan. That's really the only other big thing, but it's not really that big. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull it out. We're taking the transmission and we're going to get a trans brake added to it, rebuild the clutches and the discs inside of it, and then also we're converting from the BOP bell housing to the LS bell housing, just because that adapter plate in there, I just want to make it a little easier so I don't have to worry about things in the long run. So today, pulling the engine out, hopefully I get everything pulled out and at least put on stands or unmarried before the end of the day. It's currently 12:30 here and it is freezing. It was 28 this morning. It's currently 34. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this done, ideally before dinner time. So I'm trying to do it within 3 or 4 hours, most of it by myself, and I have to rebuild the engine hoist. So come along, let's get back at it. So something I didn't do last time I did this was keep my bolts and nuts organized. I had a lot of stuff I didn't go buy last minute. So this time I'm gonna take all my bolts and stuff that I'm taking off and I'm not putting directly back on. I'm gonna take those, I'm gonna put them in baggies. That way I have an idea of where things are supposed to be. That way I don't just lose everything and have to go spend, little bits of money, but those little bits, they add up, when you're buying new stuff where you already have it. So all my bolts, my nuts and my washers for the intake are gonna go in a little baggie. And then they're going to get taped to it. That way I don't lose them. Just for safekeeping. And I could keep them on because I've got the studs. I just don't want to risk them falling off when I'm going through all the extra stuff, putting this back together, or just doing maintenance on it for them to fall off and go somewhere they're not supposed to go. Alright guys, we took a little bit of a break. Since that break, Trev Dog has came and joined. I'm going to drop him a follow. I'll tag him in the bio. Anyways, we got both the passenger and driver side exhaust disconnected. Everything is pulled out. We're ready to start pulling it. We just want to make sure that this part actually gets recorded so that we can have all the editing done properly to watch us fail and make jokes about it. So here we go. Alright, we already went up too hot.
You gotta pass your mounts. You gotta get off the motor mount.
Oh, we're still on.
Well, yeah, because they're. I mean, now it's, yeah. So if you can.
Good on both sides.
Yeah.
Call on something else. I'm gonna bring the car up. We'll pull up. We'll actually physically bring the car up.
Not on anything now. This motor mount's clear. Dude, is the trans on something?
I think so. Oh,
The trans mount?
we did disconnect the cross member. Fuck.
Funky.
All right, attempt number 2. Oh God, that's bad. All right. That's real bad. Oh yeah, that's moving way.
Oh yeah, dude. Bring her in. Bring her out. Oh. Further, more. Oh, come on. Yep. Cool. Yeah, you're just on the exhaust.
Fingers.
Pull it. Alright. Wanna go up? Because you gotta get over the starter. Alright, cool. Okay, go up.
Just watch your fingers.
Dude, I'm in the army, bro. They're gonna cover. You should be able to pull it some. Alright. Let me,
Oh, there's trans fluid all over the place in there. Coming up. All right, you want to drop the actual jack now? Oh, there's so much transmission fluid on the floor.
yeah, do you know how much fucking fluid these things take?
Well, I thought I drained most of it.
No, dude, there's like so much in there. There you go up.
As long as we can start sorting it out.
It's like you have a fucking missile on you. Alright, pull it.
That's what we got. So now we gotta start swinging it.
Hold on, let me go over there. Pull it. This is why you need a
Bigger garage. Look, what is that? Going my way? And it's probably all empty by now.
Oh no, dude, just wait till I take it off.
All right, guys. Got the transmission and the engine out. Minor complications along the way. In the meantime, while the transmission is gonna get rebuilt, I'm gonna patch up all these holes, clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna do a once over. I need to clean my face. But yeah, we'll give you guys I guess like an update in the next 30 minutes. Let me grab the tail.
Oh, it's spinning. Is this supposed to spin?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, torque converter, bro, holds like fucking one can itself.
Yeah. Watch yourself.
How'd Henley break his ankle again? I don't know.
Weird. Someone comes in. Yeah, I think him and Stancil said they were gonna hang out. You know, do something in his house. Shh, shut the fuck up. Shh, 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 shh. I probably should have pulled that out. All right, so that's done. I'm gonna have to take this off to get it on the engine stand. So.
Dude, you're reporting me, bro? My bald spot.
What balls? On the back of your head?
Yeah.
Whoops.
Shit.
It's okay. All your Instagram and YouTube followers will comment and be like, yo, I didn't know it was that bad. Oh, no. I'm going to have to take the flex plate off to get this adapter off because of the dowel pins. Son of a butt. That sucks. Literally. Alright guys, well so far we started out with the engine in the car. The only thing I did was take off the alternator, started the electrical stuff pulled off, and now we are transmission and engine divorced, since it's called marrying them together. Now we're just gonna put it on an engine stand and call it a day. I mean, I gotta wait till I get parts to put this back together, get it sent off to a shop to take care of it, figure out where this leak is coming from, because from what it looks like to me, like it's not coming from the bell housing. It looks like it's coming from somewhere on the engine, or excuse me, the transmission oil pan. So we'll figure that out when the time comes. But thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, share with your friends, and then make sure you tag whoever you think is going to be the fastest at Drop the Hammer this year, happening the end of May into June. Thanks for stopping by, guys.